Hi friends, I hope you had a good trade today. One good trade we had today was 41,750 sell, and we mentioned it can test 41,440. In fact, if you see Bank Nifty, I think made 41,390 or so. So currently, I don't see any major trade setups. Just watching Nifty and Bank Nifty both. Waiting for good trade setups currently. Mm, Only one trade we had a small one now, which was I think 18,200 above 52. I said 10 points profit, which is done. And currently we don't see anything. Market is totally flat, but then I'm still waiting to see if Bank Nifty can pull up. I see a possibility of it consolidating and going up. However, whether it will happen today or maybe tomorrow or may not happen and go down also is something which we need to see. Currently, no trades. Market is very flat, but this is a real solid, profitable trade. Uh, Futures I had shared and below 750 I mentioned 440 was the target. For 40, yeah, 440 or somewhere here, it went straight down to 370 or so. So just thought I'll update. Many people were pinging me and asking, sir, do you see any trade? So felt that should let you know there is nothing much happening. Maybe market wants to trap. Whether it wants to trap, it wants doesn't is something which we are watching. Let us look at the option chain. Meanwhile, uh, any of you are familiar with option chain, are able to analyze, please do let me know. Also, if you have any questions now on any particular trade which you have taken, you can type over here. If any questions, any queries on any positions you're holding, please message. As I said, I don't see anything much. I'm waiting for this trade 18,200. We done 62. I am waiting to see if I can add another one lot. Sorry, waiting to see if I can add another one lot here. At just watching. As I said, Bank Nifty possibilities of moving up. I see. Not very confident, but still, let us hope. All depends on market what it wants to do. I hope all of you are able to hear me. Uh, Deepak Nitrate. Okay. Yes, sir. I will share about Deepak Nitrate. I think you asked in the group. Deepak Nitrate, I think I'm looking at it very positionally. In fact, asked if you can hold it for a long term. My view in Deepak Nitrate is it may hit uh, 2,800 levels, provided if you're able to hold it. If you think of stop loss, then you may miss the big profit. Of course, you can keep a stop loss, not that it should not. I'm not sure of your entry, sir. You can keep a stop loss for 2280. Mhm. Are you all able to hear me? If you have any more questions on any particular positions you hold, please PM me, message me. Nifty seems to be moving. As I said, I'm looking to add this one more lot or two positions. So you could also take this. See the nice move. Awesome move. Waiting for Bank Nifty also to move if it possibly can. Not seeing big momentum. Positional long term, yes. Positional, yes, sir. Yes. Okay, I'm sorry. It's Anuradha ma'am. Yes, positional. 2,800 plus. Axis Bank, Axis Bank, Axis Bank, Axis Bank. Also, if you can hold it positionally, then I see a very good move. I think 1,200 plus is what I am expecting. If can, there was a big block deal I think today in Axis Bank. That's a big reason. Uh, okay, this is the reason of the fall in Axis Bank. That's the reason Axis Bank fell, giving us an opportunity to add in. Uh, my view for this stock again is also 1,000 plus. So depends on how how you can hold. Whether if you can hold it, it's a good trade. So let's see. Please do share likes if you like our views. Your buying price is 210, 910. Okay, okay, okay. See, this is a there is a gap. So this also market may try to fill this gap. Okay, not necessary that it needs to fill this gap. Possible that the big players may try to scare away uh, you know mm, the retailers. Let me remove all the drawings. Okay. So if your entry is 910, not to worry, you can still hold it. You can add if this slips towards 860 levels. It'll hold, not to worry. Uh, there is a possibility that this can happen. It can remain range bound like this, right, for some time and then move. Market always, as I said, will not just go straight up. It has to give some movements. And currently, the way it is moving, I feel this is my expectation. You can, and then As I said, 1200 plus is what I'm expecting. If you can hold it for next 1 year. Also, I think I shared my view on HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, uh, yesterday, if you've seen my video yesterday, I was mentioning you can expect 1800, 2000 levels in the next 1 year. So, no trades for now, as of now. No trades as of now in Bank Nifty at least. Nifty, I'm waiting. If I get 18 to 18,200. So this is about the block deal. The reason why it fell, slipped 2%. There was a block deal. I think there was change of hands at 9:15. There's a seller and there is a buyer. News is positive. Loan growth has been 4.2 quarter on quarter. Deposit growth, I think, has been a bit slower. People are buying properties, so loans will go up. After the COVID, I think, if you see, people are buying properties rather than keeping a rent and going for rent. Whether it's good or bad, that's a different view. Thank you. Okay, thank you, ma'am. I hope you liked our channel. Please do share our channel with your friends. Uh, as I said, market is very flat. One big move is over, and now I think it is relaxing. It's like we run for 10 kilometers. This was a big sell. It was like a big marathon. Now it is taking a break. Now retailers will be confused. They will go CE. They will go market is falling. They keep averaging the and then get stuck for a long time now. We'll not do that. We will just wait for a proper trade setup. We also took Kotak, I think. Kotak put we bought. Good one. 1940 PE, two lots, 48. Target was 55. It went almost, I think, 52. You see, Kotak also fell pretty badly. Opened, went up positive, and then the big fall. A nice trap of all the people, all the stop loss, all these people who bought here, thinking market is moving up, are all stuck. Their stop loss are already hit, and then this is how the retailers are get trapped by the big players. Maruti has been performing, and now it's time for some bit of retracements. Not, not a good time now to buy. It may come down straight. Just wait. Uh, let's look at the NSE options chain. Anybody is keen in understanding options, please do connect to us. I see a good support, of course, in Nifty. Today's Fin Nifty expiry. I think let's look at any good trades in Fin Nifty. So I think we'll close nothing much to trade in Nifty also. Grasim, I think I had mentioned a buy. It's going pretty well. Let's look at any other stocks. Let me look at my stock. Jubilant also performed yesterday. We had one long position. I think we can look at SBI, Tata Motors doing pretty good. All auto stocks are doing good actually. Pharma also is doing well. Cosmo First is 6% up after a big fall. Dollar index is still strong. Biocon today gave a bit of a nice move and then it got stuck. Uh, we in fact got hit by stop loss in this down move. I think gold buyers can start accumulating at this levels. It has hit I think good lows, but it's not much of a safe haven like before. We thought that it'll support here, but then it's come down much below. So we can add on every dip now. All right, friends, I don't see anything much except that I wanted to tell you that we can look at this trade. If it moves above 62, you can add 60. Uh, you can add another position and then look for a bigger target. Money, okay. Ambusa Cements review. Nike, I'm stuck. 1550. Okay, Nike, Nike. Surely, I will update how you can join the group, which I have shown on the screen. Uh, it's a paid channel. Uh, Manipal Petro. Manipal, I don't see anything really big in this. I'm not sure why you bought this. This looks very, very weak. Uh, of course, given a good breakout, I think a good buy was at this levels, uh, 40, 30 to 40. Uh, Now you need to wait and watch. I wouldn't recommend anything at the moment. There could be another small move down as well. I would suggest you to wait for 75 if you want to add, and then maybe you can think expect a big move. Currently, still looks very weak. Nothing much happening here. I am not sure of your entry levels. Depending on the quantity, you may look to exit. Ambuja Cements. Ambuja Cements is a good stock. I think you can hold. Uh, we may see 600, 580, 600 in this easily. You may keep a stop loss if you want to. Uh, you may in fact add some more if it comes to 530. I would suggest add more here. Hold for at least 570, 580. You can at least go up to 620 in the next 6 months. Good entries was actually here. If you bought here, it's good for you. If you bought much earlier, somewhere here, it's even better for you. But yes, you can hold it. I think Nike, Nike, e-commerce venture. Okay, I don't know. Fundamentally, there has been a chief technical officer. It's partnership with the Middle East. It's a e-commerce platform. I think Nike. Yeah, Nike. I think based out of Hyderabad, a good company. They've started in Bangalore. Correct. Uh, I think I'm sure. I'm not sure if the same Nike. Yes, I think this is what it is. Nike. This I think was started by a lady or something. If I recollect it well. One thing I worked in e-commerce myself. I'm an e-commerce consultant. Always pretty risky business. If it if your idea is good, it clicks. It has clicked, as far I know. Uh, but then I cannot talk right now on this channel. Maybe we'll talk offline how it works. Wouldn't suggest to look at this counter. Not really good, uh, unless unless you want to take risk on your money. Sorry, I wouldn't recommend this stock from my side. Maybe yes. Uh, if you already bought, wait for some time. 1120, you can add, you can exit at 1320. Oh my god, you bought at 1550. Uh, how do I explain? It's a paid F&O group, Anshul. Uh, we also train how to look at the option chain, look at charts, and take good proper trading decisions, either equity. You will be full-fledged once you attend our training programs. 18200 is still at 55. Waiting, I'm expecting this to move above 62. If it does, I will add more. But we are almost short of time. Uh, Waiting for Bank Nifty to give me this move and pull Nifty up too. However, Reliance is really upset. It's big down, open equals high. 2583 was the open, high was also 2583. So that was a clear signal for us for a shot. I think some of our friends here had suggested shots in Reliance some time back. We were looking to go long, but then that's not looking good. But then, yes, currently, if you ask me, this is a retracement. I think we should look to buy Reliance. Can expect 2560. Nifty slowly moving up. Let me see. It has been doing the same for some time. Uh, do connect to me on WhatsApp. Let's look at option chain of Bank Nifty. The call writers are still holding strong. Bank Nifty 41,500 is a very strong level to break. Even if it moves, it may just touch here and come down. It's only Nifty which is pretty strong. Again, Nifty has a good resistance at 18,100. That's the reason it is not moving up. However, this can be taken off. Uh, Nifty uh, put writers are pretty strong sitting. They may pull the market up as what I'm expecting. If this moves up, then eventually Bank Nifty will also slowly retrace back. So we'll pause it for some time. We will have a small I don't know how to pause this. I think there is only way to stop. Let's look at Nifty 50 stocks. Bank Nifty, as I said, is not holding. Let's look at Nifty 50 stocks. Good stocks. JSW Steel, Sun Pharma, very good for long term. Cipla, Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel is also good. Already mentioned HDFC. UPL results, I think, are out. So they are promising strong growth or promised, but then higher core prices, price hikes to aid performance. Okay, we should just see here. Oh, other to invest 500 minimum in India's UPL. It's okay. That's a good news. Margins have substantially increased. I think it looks good to add. is what I feel. The big players will not just like that show you any positivity. They'll try to always throw us out. My view on this is that current levels you should add, and if you get a chance, if it moves down to 710, you should add more. First possible target of 785 or so, and then 820 in the next 3 to 4 months. Don't see any harm in adding this stock. You'll have to give me a few minutes. I'll pause this. Sorry, had to pause for some time. Hero motor also is good to add. NTPC is given a solid move today. All right, we'll come back in some time. Uh, Keep a watch on 18200 CE, possibly crossing 62, and target could be 70, 75 or so. Uh, Hopefully, if Bank Nifty supports the same. So, good luck. We are closing now for some time. Still big, no movements much in Bank Nifty and Nifty. Superb. As I said, 18200 crossed 162, currently at 66. Bank Nifty also started. We had shared by Bank Nifty 14400 about 283 which is not done. Can we expect big moves? Yes. Currently trading at 66. Forty-one 400 to be watched. Target could be 75, hopefully. So I hope your joining of the channel was helpful. You would have made some points in this moment in Nifty. So let's wind up. If there are no questions, thank you all. Good day and good luck.